First of all, welcome. Thank you guys for being here. I think I got to chat with everybody for at least a second. Don't forget that a part of this is the opportunity to network with each other.
Dave's Wash Dry Full Delivery Workshop is a great place to network with other laundry operators.
We'll be focusing on just digital marketing for laundromats, so everything from Google Ads, website design, Facebook marketing, really the four main services of laundry, self-service, washer full, pickup and delivery, and commercial, and hopefully people will be able to get some takeaways and help grow their business.
What's most valuable is coming to see that third shift processing. When you actually get to come and see it, that third shift, seeing all of our workers come in and just pound out laundry like no tomorrow, I think makes a huge impact as far as how this can be done.
They are just so knowledgeable about everything that they do. They have a great team behind them. They know what they're doing, and they have everything very organized, everything. So I'm going to take away all of that and just take it back to all of our 4 stores.
And then the last thing I'll say is remember that this isn't the end or anything like that. This is the beginning. This is the beginning of what you're going to do. You have your coaching calls. You have these relationships. We aren't going anywhere. Ultimately, just for me and Carla and our team, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.